pull, up.
Going 100 knots faster than normal, Captain Waters pushes the nose down, forcing the Airbus onto the runway.
Brace!
At the end lies open water. The crew deploys reverse thrust and applies full braking power to avoid overshooting the runway.
No number 2 reverse! No decel!
Just one faulty engine is providing reverse thrust. Cathay Pacific Flight 780 screeches to a halt just a few thousand feet from the end of the airport's runway.
We made it. Nice one.
The passengers and crew evacuate safely with only a few minor injuries. Hong Kong's Civil Aviation Department immediately launches an investigation. Because the plane's Trent 700 engines were made by British company Rolls-Royce, Anne Evans of the British Air Accidents Investigation Branch joins the investigation. Investigators look to the plane's flight data recorder for answers. They start with the A330's engine functions.
Stop. What's going on here?
Right away, they notice something unusual.
Thrust levers are moving, but fuel flow's flatlining.
Right after the pilots tried to restore power to the engines by pushing the throttle up, the fuel flow remained the same. Investigators wonder if a fuel flow problem caused Flight 780's engine trouble. Evans turns to the plane's in-depth data logs. They explain in detail the error messages that appeared on the monitoring system throughout the flight.
Engine 2 control system fault.
Anne Evans discovers that early in the flight, the computers detected a problem in a key part of the fuel system called the main metering valve. The main metering valve is made up of a piston that slides within a cylinder. When the pilots move the thrust levers, it increases or decreases the flow of fuel to the A330's turbofan engines. When investigators cut the valve open to study it, they find something they've never seen before. Microscopic analysis reveals that the powder is a type of superabsorbent polymer, or SAP, made up of tiny spheres. The powder is used in refueling trucks to prevent water from getting into the aircraft's fuel tanks. The refueling trucks pump fuel from underground tanks and pipes through a filter on the truck and into the aircraft. If the fuel is contaminated with water, the powder in the filter absorbs it by forming a gel inside the filter. But the waterlogged gel is supposed to stay in the filter. It should never end up in the fuel. Investigators recover the filters from the truck used to refuel Flight 780 at Surabaya Airport. And when they examine a sample of the filter under a microscope, investigators make a puzzling find. The powder spheres are encrusted with salt. When Anne's team conducts tests on fresh filters, exposing them to salt water, the filters collapse, just like the one